This channel is sponsored by Creality. Creality has all of your 3D tools that you need to bring your ideas to life. Scanners, printers, and even engravers. And there's very cool things that you can make with them, such as a little boat, a vase, or vase, a little supercar, a full-size supercar. Start your journey at Creality.com. I have links in my description for scanners and printers. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to get back to the Aventador. Thank you all for all of the comments that you had on the McLaren, which is sitting over there looking a little sorry for itself, but we'll get back to that next week. But now what we want to do is I need to do a couple of things. The first one is I have to do a thread locker on all of the set screws for the steering menagerie I have over there. There's no other better way of putting it. Then I have to fill up the power steering fluid and air the system out, basically turning lock to lock on the steering wheel. Got to get the steering wheel back in to do that. And then hopefully we'll pull it out of the garage and take it for a little spin. Nothing special that you probably haven't already seen, but I want to test out the clutch and make sure that the steering is doing what it should. And if there's any hiccups in that, then obviously we'll fix it. So let's go get started. So I got a little red thread locker. So this we're going to put on all the set screws. So after the drive, a couple of things that I noticed. The steering is much better. So it's not lumpy at all. The power steering seems to be working great. It's not leaking anywhere. The clutch is actually working really well. So I can actually feel the clutch engaging and disengaging about halfway through its travel. So that's a big plus. One of the issues is when I go into first gear, I'm not engaging very well, and so I have to look at whether that's the linkage or if that's actually a limitation in the hole that's cut for the shifter. So that still needs to be solved. But I was able to shift it into first and second gear. It goes into second, fantastic. So another plus. And you guys saw how it drove, and also were able to see the fact that the engine sounds really, really good. And I think that's because of some of the, not only getting it away from being hydrolocked, doing a service on it, and then also fixing some of the settings in the computer itself. So I think we're rolling along pretty good on this. The next steps are to basically do that side skirt, and then I have to do this area up here. I have to get these bolted in better and into the side here, and then we also have to cover those in leather, and then I have to do the same with the map light area. But I also have to trim down some of the area here because there's a little bit of a bow there, but that's okay because I got plenty of material to be able to remove off of there for the map light console. So here we go with the lower splitter. Got it all bolted in. I think it looks pretty good. I've actually got the car lowered, so we're maybe 3 inches there, 2 inches here. So I think at its lowest it's 1.5 inches. So that's pretty low, but I think it looks good. So hopefully you guys think the same. Let me know in the comments what you think about this lower front splitter. Now next time I get it on the ramp, I've got to scan the rocker panel here in order to do the side skirts. So probably do that in the next Aventador episode, so look for that in the future. So that's it for this update on the Aventador. The next update we'll do on what we're doing with the McLaren. Thank you guys for all the comments there to try to decide what the powertrain's going to be. I still haven't figured that out yet, but I got plenty of time to do that. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. Like, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.